Welcome back, man. Mr. 300. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. We getting right into the video, man. You guys see from the thumbnail, you guys can see from the title. I'm about to go to the shop right now, man, to go check on the car. The car is called Beast. I want to check and see what the transmission is going on, man. Hold on, let me do this, make sure I ain't got nothing on my face. Last time, man, real stuff, man. Like, I always have something on my face when I go back and watch a video. It'd be like, man, why you even, you know, but anyway, man, we're gonna go check that out real quick. I got a transmission swap, man. I'm putting it all on the line, man. All money in, man. Shout out to Nip. But this is one of my cars that I really like, man. So I really want to get it back up and running. So I paid a lot of money. I'm telling you guys, a lot of money. I'm talking about big trips. I'm talking about long vacations. I'm putting the money into the car, man, because it's just something that I'm passionate about. So as you guys can see now, man, I'm about to get a whole transmission swap. They got the transmission at the shop. They said they got some more updates for me, so I'm about to go check that out. But I also want to tell you guys, you know, maybe look and see what else I'm gonna do with it. I'm definitely gonna do the tire stickers, the tire lettering. I'm definitely gonna do an exhaust. I'm definitely gonna do the moon roof, the little star lit. I'm definitely gonna do a grill. And that's, you know, wrap, all that type of stuff, man. Wheels, I can't really show you the wheels or whatever, but I got a lot of stuff planned for it, man. But we driving now, we going straight to the shop. So when we get there, man, I'll turn it on. You guys see the transmission outside of the box. I've never seen one before. I don't know if you have, but I haven't, so I want to go see it. So I told them to hit me up about it. When they get it, they got it. So we about to go take a look at it. But anyway, man, we about to go. All right, you can see we back, man. We back at the shop, man. So we about to go see, man. We about to go check it out. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna keep the camera on there. I don't know how comfortable they are with the camera on, so I'm gonna keep it on, but I ain't gonna point it in their face. I don't want people to get all weird with it, you know. So we'll see. You guys gonna see.
So here's what we've got going in. Your vehicle's going on this lift. He'll be done with this today.
Okay.
Transmission. This is your what you call it?
Torque converter?
Yeah, that goes in there.
So this is the one that's going in?
That's the one tranny that's going in. Yeah.
Okay.
Just came.
Man, this thing is huge.
It. Yeah.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller.
Ooh, that came out of a Dodge Durango.
Tranny? Okay, I see that.
Brand new torque converter, so that way we don't want we usually, so when we do a transmission, we usually don't like to use one that's got 57,000 miles on it. When the part, you know what I mean, it ends up being a couple $100, but it's new. So that way, you know what I'm saying?
I got you.
It's you already got a pre-owned transmission with low miles. Why are you gonna put old ass parts in?
Yeah, might as well make something new. Yeah, because that's the cheapest part, right? Torque converter, that's only a couple hundred.
Yeah. But I mean, you know, like I said, either way, we figure that all in when we calculate it. But that's how we like to do it. Most places, I'm telling you, we'll just the one that comes with it,
just keep it in there. Keep
it in there and go. But then now you got a 57,000 mile. When you already got the transmission open, why don't you just put a damn new torque converter in for a couple $100? Now your customer gets a quality part version.
Oh, so when you get the transmission, it comes with it comes with one. Yeah. Oh, okay.
This one we pulled that one out. We put a new one in that one. Then they give you a core for that. So the same thing. Pull that one out. They take the core and then they bring us a new one.
Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, okay, it makes sense.
So it's a couple $100. They take the old one or whatever, they rebuild them, whatever they do, and then they bring us a new one. But that's how we like to do it because we like our customers, you know what I mean, to get the quality work.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
I told you it was going to be a couple weeks. I apologize, but they start pissing me off. Monday delivery, Tuesday delivery, you know what I mean? Then it comes like end of day yesterday.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. But I understand, man. It takes some time.
Like I said, we're wrapping this up right now. This is on the Dunsky.
Yep.
You're going to go up over here. And then we're going to start breaking it down. Don't quote me, we're probably going to be done tomorrow, but give us till Friday, because just in case any little stupid stuff comes up. Yeah, we like to have a little bit of cushion.
Gotcha. Yeah, it works,
bro. It should be pretty quick.
It's a simple one, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what's up, man.
Right?
Appreciate
it. What we'll do is when the car's up, we start to break her down. If you want, I could take some pictures, I can float them to you, or I can call you in. You can just do a little video.
Yeah, work. Yeah, I'm close to it. Don't matter. Yeah, that's perfect, bro. Yeah, man, I like the shop, man. It's like, you know, it's inside and closed. Yeah, it's nice. It's dope, man. Yeah.
We're working. We just finished rebuilding. Did a whole engine rebuild on that little lift.
Oh, okay.
So that's going to be like our little engine lift. Yeah. And this is, you know, we're going to do our trannies and our big stuff under here. Yeah,
it's dope. Okay. All right, man. Yeah.
All right.
That works, man. All right, man. Appreciate it, man.
Coming by.
All right, see you, bro. What's up, bro?
Now, like we're on the clock, so now you're going to start getting, because all we've been doing is waiting for the part.
Okay, gotcha.
Now that it's here, now you're going to be getting the, hey, everything's looking good. Oops, we need this, or blah blah blah. But we'll keep it good.
All right, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. All right, see you guys later. See you. So that's it, man. Both these mine, by the way. Both of these are mine, man. So yeah, we already know what it is, man. Yeah, man. Ugh. Not to be bragging or nothing, man, but I'll tell you guys the whole story about both of these cars, man. Like, I got a crazy story. A crazy story. I'm talking about a wild story, man. I'm not gonna show my face because it was my birthday last week, man. I had a whole bunch of bad food. Face broke all out, man, but I guess that's just the cost, man, of just putting yourself out there, man. You just gotta be exposed and just always be ready. But I'm not ready today, man, so you ain't gonna see too much of the face, man. That's why I had the wave cap on earlier. But anyway, yeah, man, that's the old car, man. But you heard what he said, man. It's gonna be done maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, I don't know. But whenever it is, man, I'm gonna be back, man. When it's broken down, I'm definitely gonna look at it, man. You definitely gonna see everything about it. Man, I hope you guys had a good one. Hope you guys having a good day. This is a short video, man. I just wanted to bring you guys along for the update, man. Let you guys know, man, I ain't playing around, man. When I said I'm gonna do something, I try to do it, man. So this might not be a big step to a lot of people. You know, you guys into the car world, you know, you guys already know what it is and what to do and all that type of stuff. But to me, to somebody who not really familiar and not really into doing all the different modifications and repairs and all that, when it's broke, just give me a new one. That's where I've been for a while. You know, I like cars, but it's, you know, super crazy repairs, man, it just become a hassle because you already know once you get one big repair, another one's coming, then another one's coming, then another one's coming, man. So I always thought it was just a crazy money pit. So anyway, man, this one got, like I said, sentimental value. So that's why I'm really putting more money into this one. And it's a 300, man, you know, the name and all that stuff, man. So we're gonna try to keep it the way it is, man. But anyway, man, I hope you guys having a great day, man. Love you guys. Subscribe down below, comment down below, stay connected. This is just the first video, man. Many more to come. I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna go run through it real quick. I can't tell you exactly all the mods that I'm gonna do because I got plenty planned, but I'm definitely gonna do the wheels. The wheels are gonna be changed. I'm gonna get a new grill. I'm gonna put a little starlight, the little Rolls Royce joint in the inside. I'm definitely gonna do a wrap. I'm definitely gonna murder it out, so all that chrome, you're not gonna see that. I'm definitely gonna do the tire lettering, so you're gonna see lettering on the tires. My tires are bald, so I gotta switch those out as well. Definitely, like I said, I don't know if I said a wrap already, but I'm definitely doing a wrap. I'm looking at the tints right now, they don't look too dark, so I'm definitely gonna go all black. And I got other stuff, man. Exhaust, man. We're gonna do some performance mods. It's a 2.7, it's a little baby 2.7 engine, man. So you never know, man. We got nothing, we can't go do nothing but up. It's nothing but up from the 2.7, man. So if I do an engine swap, if I do any type of performance mod, you guys already know, it's gonna be faster, man, because I'm at the bottom with that one, you know. But I definitely want to get it right, man. I definitely want to get it going. Let me roll down the window so you guys can see it for real. But this boy's dirty, but don't trip, man. It's coming, man. And like I said, man, I didn't want to put a whole bunch of little, you know, faces in the video, man. I just was trying to keep it all cool because not everybody's real comfortable with it. I'm not really comfortable filming, you know, people's faces and all that. But next time, if you guys want to see more faces and all that type of stuff, man, comment down below. I'll definitely be more personable, looking back at the camera and showing you guys a little bit more. But I honestly just wanted to get the information on the training, man. You saw the way it was looking all out the car and all that type of stuff. You know, put a lot of money into it, man. It's a rebuilt one, but you know, it's a lot of money, man. But anyway, you gotta just all money in, man. Big leaps of faith, man. A lot of people want to put money into the car like this, an older car, but especially when they got another one, they just sell this one or whatever and get rid of it. But like I said, man, it holds some type of value to me. So if somebody can give me a couple thousand for it, a couple whatever, it's not even worth it. I'm just gonna put more money into it and flip it and keep doing stuff with it and have fun with it, drive it, donuts, all that type of stuff, man. So anyway, man, comment down below, man. Subscribe down below. Love you guys. Hope you guys having a great day. We out.